Grand Turks, you outside.
Kill get back, come and sing with king. Up on your knees and sing with king.
Yo, stop.
God of life.
Back at it again, my viewers and subscribers. That is it. Yeah, man, me here if you talk about the Yankee them abroad, you know what I mean? The man them over there in foreign, in the big state them, America and the UK, see me I say. Yeah, man, even some Jamaican man too, you see me I say, but differently from that, what we are here from now, we are here in the street from the Yankee them. The man them a come on TikTok, all sort of social media come complaining about them. Their woman going to Jamaica on vacation and getting them legs and them coochie cheek and them breasts massage and rub down, you know what I mean? Certain area where they don't really like to see. The man them a touch up the woman them on the seat. So differently from that, people, we're gonna run a video and make you see what me I talk about to see me, because right now the man them even ban them woman from go to Jamaica because of this situation. The man didn't like it a bit. Because the man them say right now the Jamaican bamboo rafting guy, them give the woman them some special touch. And when them come back home to them, they're not the same. People, listen.
So I just want to say to the fellas out there, if it is that your woman wants to keep going to Jamaica, I found out what the reason is. And I'm going to tell you right now. And I don't care if I'm throwing you women under the bus, but this is absurd. You know what I'm saying? I'm seeing way too many videos of these women going to Jamaica, getting on them rafts with them Jamaican men, and letting them Jamaican men rub clay all over their butt naked bodies. You cannot tell me that these women are not sleeping with them. That's just too much. I'm talking about the videos that I am seeing. These women are laying butt naked on these rafts while these Jamaican men are rubbing clay all over their body. Your man can't even do that to you. Why is it that a stranger is? This ain't cool. This ain't cool. If it is that your woman wants to keep going to Jamaica, you know why. And, you know, massages are intimate. You understand what I'm saying? Even though professionals doing massages are very intimate. You know what I'm saying? But I'm talking about this shit is extremely intimate. It's extremely personal. I'm talking about these men are literally rubbing clay on bare breasts. You know what I'm saying? Not bra covered breasts, bare breasts, bare booty. You understand what I'm saying? You mean to tell me ain't no love be long time going on? You mean to tell me ain't no shit boing going on? Man, listen, y'all better stop letting y'all wives go to Jamaica. I'm telling you, y'all better stop doing it.
I know people, so they're hearing from Yankee himself, you know what I mean? Yeah, man, the man as a boy, it don't make no sense for your woman to go to Jamaica. You see, just ban them from going to Jamaica. Or you go there with them. But differently from the average, this a brother there, right now, him wanna say, anytime the woman them go to Jamaica and come back, just done the relationship there. Yeah, man, sink that shit there. It don't make no sense. Because I see that the girl touch them with them bamboo rafting guy they give them. There's nothing where them can do to replace them the feelings and them the touch there. People, I not joke. Listen what the brother say. This not normal.
Guys, if the woman you're seeing goes to Jamaica, big up all my Jamaicans. If you're in a relationship, situationship, whatever ship you're on, put Titanic on, cry, and sink that ship. Yeah? Because when she goes to Jamaica, her soul is gone, mate. Yeah? Whatever happens in Jamaica stays in Jamaica. Lost Jamaicas. Not Las Vegas, Lost Jamaicas. Yeah? When that girl, your girl, goes on that boat, the brown wooden square boat with that yardy Jamaican brother who's built like a brick house, he's got a 12-pack coming up to his neck. He sees her and he says, "What the bomber clot?" In his mind, looking at your girl from head to toe, toe to head, you're done. I'm sorry. I feel bad for you. Yeah? Please, sink that ship. He's got a 12-pack coming up to his neck. He can row all day long. Imagine the stamina he's got and what he's doing. He's got this magic potion oil that he massages into her foot, going all the way up, and all the way down. It is over. Her soul gets massaged into that oil and it transcends into his skin and system. Now he's got her soul. He's got her number. He's taken her out for jerk chicken, and then he's taken her in. He's taken her in for something else. Yeah? So if your girl goes to Jamaica, kindly end it. MJ moonwalk out of the door. It's done.
Come and walk and trouble people. No want the whole world see it. See it there? See it there? Me pin up your blood clot. I mean I put my mouth around and talk. And this you have to get that you can trouble me. And you come trouble me. And me have a witness can show. Say you come trouble me. Oh. Pin up your blood clot. Your man have to beat you until the day you die. Him have to beat you until the day you die. And everywhere you run, God, there shall be no refuge. Psalms 55, the whole 21 verse. With this. And a black candle. With this. Every evil deed where you send for me to find your back candy. And every bad intention where you have for me to find your back too. The whole TikTok I got on pan you. Today, the 3rd of March. Pan the blood moon, may I tell you. Everybody pan TikTok. I got turn on pan you. Everywhere you turn sword, I got joke you. From today, from now on. I mean, I take it back. You see, when I go bury this in the cemetery today, me I go up at the cemetery, go bury it. Me I go bury it up there. Me. Alright. Me. Personally, I go show you, say, when you see people, leave them alone. You're going to make an example out of you. Just like how I make an example out of Jaden, and just like how I make an example out of Kaki Lion, me I go show you something I can do. Me personally, I go show you something what me can do. Oh, you couldn't do Destiny so? Why you ask me how I couldn't do Destiny so? You say you love mix up? Why not come over here and call Destiny name? Me and Destiny have something? Eh? So black that person that will ask me about Destiny. Black them. Black them. Black them so. So black them. And this is somebody say we have to repent, black them. The person say we have to repent, black them. Why you not go tell your mother we are bubble off Pastor John in a church, we go repent? Why you not go tell your mama? Go tell your mother that. Don't talk to me about no repent. Don't talk to me about no repent. Because when they come in a bad admiration, if you mash them up. Now I can trouble people. Me no walk and trouble people, candy. This I got graveyard. This me I carry this got graveyard. My blood clot show you something. Me nah left you. Me I show you something coming to walk and trouble people. You have to get what's coming to you. No apology behind it. Dirty man in a wig candy. Man in a wig candy. Candy is a man in a wig. Man in a wig candy. Pin up your blood clot. Pin you up. Pin you right up. And you can't go no other place go get saved. Cause none of them now go take you when me done with you. So just watch and comment there and take out everything we have to take out. Me never want to really go live with chat this, you know.
What happened now, Latina?
Yeah, fix the business. Me a fix candy business.
Latina, you wash your stinking pussy party from morning. When you go be a mama we eat
Hold
you.
on there. You are come for me too?
You can't do me nothing no blood clot.
Hold on
Move
there.
your stink body blood clot
Hold
and
on
go
there.
away.
Hold on there. Hold
Dirty
on.
girl. Get me picture and pin
Hold on
it.
there.
And pin your pussy. With a bad blood clot.
You are look at fame. You are look at fame. You are look at fame. You are look at comeback. You not get no comeback after me. That me I tell you. Me don't see the plan already, you know. Me not telling you from last night, guys, so me don't see the plan already. Me never tell you no.
Bless up on yourself, my viewers and subscribers. Until next time, that is it.